I finally shown up for myself again after days of not feeling like me and feeling lost. Super ironic nga na gusto ko lang laging nakahiga at tulog pero hindi naman ako makatulog agad. Kung makakatulog naman ako, magigising din agad at ang restless ng sleep ko. I found out about Wicked 7's new product which is the Good Night, which can help to sleep faster and supports quality sleep. Na-surprise ako kasi after almost 20 minutes of drinking this, knockout talaga ako at dire-diretso yung tulog ko. Each stick has a 3 grams of orange flavor powder na kakanawin lang sa 250 to 350 ml of water. Para ka lang uminom ng orange juice but with the benefit of having a straight and restful sleep. This has 3 mg of melatonin, chamomile, ginkgo biloba leaf, citrus extract, and magnesium glycinate which are good ingredients to combat insomnia and restless sleep. If health conscious ka naman, don't worry kasi like their other products, this is also a herbal powder drink and they use stevia as sweetener. When it comes to supporting my health, Wicked 7 is one of the brands I truly trust. Kaya kung gusto mo rin subukan, click mo na lang yung link sa baba.